Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be making an Easter garland. We're going to be using these carrots from the Dollar Tree. This is how the package looks. You get 6 of these in a bag, and I was looking for small styrofoam Easter eggs at Dollar Tree and I could not find them. They had bigger ones. I didn't want to use those in this project. I was looking for something a little bit smaller. So I stopped at Dollar General and I found this package of 10 Easter eggs on these skewers. So I'm going to pull them off. I think we're going to be able to use them. That's the only 2 things you need. Besides that, you'll need needle and thread, which everybody has at home, and a little pair of scissors. So let's get started. Okay, so with these little carrots, I was looking at the greens on these, and some of these, they're nice and full, and others are very sparse. So I think these 2 are going to do the trick for my project. And I'm going to pull the sticks out of all of these little eggs. These are a nice size. They're probably maybe an inch, maybe. They're nice. They're very colorful. Some of them have little designs on them, and some are plain. So they're coming off the sticks really nice. And now I have some skewers and little ribbons for another project. That always comes in handy. Okay. All right, there's our 10 little eggs. So we'll see if these are going to work for us. So we're just going to start with our needle and thread, and we're going to put this right through. And this becomes our end over here. Okay, and I'm going to try and get right in the center of these eggs. I sure hope I can. Just go ahead and string all of these. Some of these, the glitter came off, but I'm really hoping that once they're together, they'll be tight enough and that won't show. That's what we have so far. These are just really hard to grab. I should have brought tweezers. Go through the styrofoam really easy. to grab. There we go. Was easy. Okay, our very last one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. All right. There we go. And then we're going to put this on our other end. Oh boy. There we go. Never had that happen before. I'm just gonna kind of sew it on here. Scissors. Okay. There is our garland. That would make a cute little decoration on a tray or on your table, wherever you would like it. You can add more eggs to it if you'd like. Make it really long. You could put carrots throughout. Every couple eggs or whatever, maybe put carrots in there. That would be really cute. Whatever your design fashion is, you can make it your own. But this is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. If this is your first time joining me, I thank you very much. I welcome you. If this is the end of your day, I hope you're sitting back and relaxing. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Until next time, bye-bye.